Hi guys, and today we're gonna be recording a Hunter brand ceiling fan. It's, as you can see, it has 5 blades, and I just thought it would be a good idea if I show you this fan. So I'm gonna turn on the speed to fast. This fan does not speed very fast. It's more of a slow fan, but it does blow some air. Now I'm gonna turn it on medium. I don't think I pulled it right. This is either medium or slow. It seems like this fan might possibly work different than the average fan. I think it's off now. And you can see this line, like this, I meant bump, like a bump here in the light case. And you could also see this design here. So I'm glad I got to show you this fan, and I hope you enjoyed this video.